Greetings, I'm the No Pro, and today I will be showing you how to master Tangled Social, where connecting with like-minded people is made easy. Now, in this video, I'm going to walk you through some tips and tricks to enhance your Tangled Social experience. So let's dive right in. Now, first and foremost with Tangled Social, you can engage in your native language. And once you have signed up and logged in, you'll be able to find the language preferences in settings. You will click on settings and then go to preferences, and then you can select your language. As you see, mine is English, and we don't care about that. And so, but you can select the language and you can input your content in your native language, so you don't have to worry about trying to translate. Okay? And that's one of the things you can do to get yourself started. Now, another great thing to do is use the welcome hashtag for new users. If you're new to Tangled Social, you would use the welcome hashtag to gain your initial Millix. That's the currency that Tangled Social uses to pay you. Um, and you can get noticed by the community through interactions with the welcome hashtag. And that's when you're creating a new post. Of course, when you're done, you would just go hashtag welcome at the end of your post. And that'll let everyone know that you're new to the community and they will welcome you with open arms. And speaking of Millix and earning it, did you know that you can earn? This is when it first started. I don't know what the ratio is now, but it's like 2,000 Millix for every 15 minutes you spend online. And this can help fund your activities on the platform for things like posting and making comments, leaving likes. You, when you do those things, you pay the individual that you're commenting. As you see, even when you scroll and look through the different posts, you will pay them. Watch here, you'll see it go green, and they just got 1,000 Millix from me. And when you comment, you'll see it go green again. They'll get Millix as well. And people will do this for you as well. And so this helps to increase your balance. You see, mine is really low. I was promoting several posts, so I whittled it down. But this will help you get more Millix so you can create more posts and interact with the community. And one of the best ways to get started in interacting with the community is with positive posts. And one of the best posts that you'll get the most response from would be a positive morning post. A simple good morning can attract subscribers and tips, and it starts the day by spreading positivity. Let's see if we can find any here. Look at the doggy. Okay, but those will garner you a lot of tips and responses. And another thing that you can do is you can show gratitude to subscribers. I have some here, some posts that I've shown gratitude to my subscribers. As you can see, I'm thanking them for the support and wishing them a happy weekend. And in doing so, this encourages more followers and it strengthens your community. And another great thing with these posts is they will acknowledge. I always try to copy who did what and when, and you get that information over here in this box. That happens to be here for all notifications. And these are conversations that are going on with people I've subscribed to and who they're speaking with. Um, and another thing that you can do is use interactive posts, such as surveys or polls. This will engage your audience with um, posts that ask for comments or likes. And the thing with Tangled Social is interaction is the key to a vibrant Tangled social experience. And so interactive posts like polls, I've got one in here somewhere. Give me a moment. Here's one. This one is for freelancers. What are your biggest roadblocks as a freelancer? I'm going to start a group here in Tangled for all online marketers. Doesn't matter what you do, influencer, content creator, blogger, podcaster, YouTuber, everything in between. Um, and I want people to join the group to share their experiences, their wins, and their losses so everyone can learn and benefit, and as well as share what is working for them. And perhaps I'll set up a rotator system so people can get referrals as people come into the group, and I'll promote it on various venues to help everybody in the group. Maybe. Maybe I'll do a poll for that to see if that's what they want. Excuse me for rambling. Now, another thing that you can do to um, ensure your success and increase your engagement is to hold contests. You can um, boost your comment interaction rather, by holding fun contests like sharing jokes and give a reward for the best joke or the worst joke. It's a great way to get everyone involved. And one thing that you must do is be consistent. Always have consistent strategies. Success on Tangled Social comes from consistently repeating these strategies and staying active and keep on engaging with the community is going to help you become very successful and grow your subscribers and followers and help you market your products and services and goods. Another thing that really pays off here on Tangled is high effort content. And what I mean by high effort content is like well made videos or well written posts. They yield better engagement than um, just a simple text post with a few words. Videos will get you more engagement and more earnings because, and especially if you put the effort in, you'll get greater rewards. And another thing that you can do to increase your success here on Tangled is learn from the top earners. You can do that here. Let me get out of that in the menu and check out to see what the top earning posts are doing and look at their post format and what they've done, the comment they've made. But Scarlett Doll, she's got a lot of people. Uh, uh, let's see. Yeah, she has over 2,600 subscribers, so she's going to get a big response from everything that she posts. I think she kind of copied off of what I did right here. Sorry, Scarlett. Um, and wow, she's got a lot of them in here already as the top earners. And she likes to post a lot of food. That looks good. And wow, she's kicking butt. I guess she's the only one who's awake on Sunday. and, but yeah, learn from the top earners and see what they're posting, what format they use, be it video, um, images, content, and you can increase your earnings by tailoring your style to mimic what they do. Another thing that you can do is respond to comments. It's just like any other social media. The more you respond, the more people um, will respond to you. But here, there's no algorithm that you have to trick and manipulate. The beauty with Tango Social is you get paid for everything that you do, responding to comments, liking, loving, making a comment. You would make a comment here, Okay, that looks delicious. I'll type that. I don't feel like doing the whole word, so I'll let my speller help me. And I always finish mine like that. I give a rose to the ladies. And you can like other people's comments. They earn when you do so, and you'll earn as well for all of these activities that you're doing. And so, um, finally, the best way to earn here on Tangled and ensure your success is to start strong. What you'll want to do is build strong relationships with your subscribers by, like I said, responding to comments, liking, and loving them. Um, Always being consistent, always making sure that your posts have great content and positive content, and this will create an engaging community from the get go. And this will help set a solid foundation for your journey on Tangled Social. And so that's going to conclude my brief video here on how to ensure your Tangled success. Another thing is, if you're creating a post, always make sure you have some funds because there is a post create fee of 10,000 Millix. And from there, you would just create the post that you want. I'll do a video on how to do that. And just follow the steps and you'll be done. So I do thank you for your time, for committing to watching the video. If you found the video helpful, please don't forget to like, and hit the heart button if you're on a social media, and subscribe for more tips and trips. Not trips. I'm tripping now. More tips and tricks on making the most out of Tangled Social. So, again, I do thank you very much. And a link will be in the description, as well as links for other useful products and services to help with your online marketing efforts. Thank you very much.